morning routine.
Okay, so I've already brushed my teeth, taken a shower and made my bed. So I'll not be showing all of those shots.
And I also do 14:10 and at times 15:9 fasting, that is intermittent fasting. So my day actually starts after I am done with that number of hours of fasting, which I track on an app. I can mention that in the description box. You can check that out. So yeah, now actually let's get started with how I break my fast and start my day.
So first on this list is cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. Having 1 tablespoon of coconut oil on an empty stomach has a lot of benefits. Few of the benefits are it boosts metabolism, eliminates toxic bacteria, oral thrush and stomach inflammation, and it also helps in maintaining good gut health. So after that I have grape seed extract, which is a potent source of antioxidants, which again has multiple benefits. So few of those benefits are that it helps in alleviating the oxidative stress, inflammation, tissue damage, and everyone's favorite, it is anti-aging. So yeah, it is a must have for anyone who's looking for all of these benefits. So next up on the list is vitamin C, which is necessary for growth, development and repair of all body tissues. It is involved in many body functions, that is increasing formation of collagen, absorption of iron, the immune system, wound healing and the maintenance of cartilage, bones and teeth. So yeah, vitamin C is the need of the hour. And finally, I have a scoop of protein. Now, protein helps the body to build and repair tissues. Protein is an important building block of muscles, bones, cartilage, skin, and blood. I cannot emphasize enough that how important protein is for each one of us, as it's one of the important macronutrients as well. Now, the benefits are increase in muscle mass and strength, it's good for the bones, and is also anti-aging. And trust me, the list is never ending. So protein is really important.
So after that I do meditation for about an hour or so. After that I have breakfast or brunch, however I feel. So that precisely was my morning routine, and any other video suggestions you can give in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for further videos. Bye!